Guys, super excited to be reviewing a new light bar from Quntis. Now, as far as light bars go, my favourite has always been the BenQ screen bar, but around £100 versus this new Quntis, which is around £45. Yeah, less than half the price. So how does this stack up against the more expensive BenQ? Find out in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, the Quntis LED light bar. This is for a monitor, and I've got to say, I feel like I hardly have anything plugged in on my desk. But the reality is I've got plugs and cables galore. Now, I work in a basement that has very little natural light, but as soon as that daylight starts to fade, it gets pretty dark in here. And you know what? I've got lots of lights that I can switch on, but sometimes you want something like mood lighting and something that's going to help with eye strain. And let me tell you, I work long hours in front of the screen and my eyes get super tired sometimes. So, in the interest of trying to tidy up the desk and reduce some extra cables, these new light bars seem to be a great answer. Now, first off, Quntis sent me this light bar to review in exchange for my honest review. And if you follow my channel, you'll know that you'll always get an honest opinion from me, good, bad, or indifferent, whether I buy something or whether I'm sent it. Now, let's have a quick look in the box. There's not a ton of stuff in here, some instructions, an Allen key for making some adjustments if needed, a USB cable to power it up, so thumbs up for USB-C, a spacer, and more on that later, a mounting bracket, and then we get to the main event, which of course is the light bar itself. This is the 52cm version of this light bar. I think there's also a 40cm version. So the construction of this feels pretty nice. It has a kind of aluminium feel to it. You have the touch buttons on the top, and on the front you have the images for the controls, and at the back you have the USB-C connector. Now, to those controls you have brightness, color temperature, an auto brightness setting, and an on and off switch. So pretty much the same as the BenQ. In fact, even the icons and everything look pretty much the same as the BenQ. So let's get the clamp fitted, stick it on a monitor and power it up. So here you can see, mounted on my main monitor, which is an LG ultra-wide curved display, there are no problems with the mounting here. It feels pretty solid. Now, the clamp is pretty heavy and it acts as a kind of counterbalance, adding to that stability. Now, just checking out the controls, you've got the brightness control, color temperature, which is dead nice to have that color temperature changing because it really does set the mood. You've got auto brightness on and off. Now, trying to fit it on a slimmer monitor, you can see that things aren't so good. This monitor is way too slim. However, remember that spacer that I told you about? Well, slip that in and problem solved. It's solid. Now, if you have a monitor like this one, which is pretty much out of the arc, and that means pretty old for those of you that don't know a bit of London speak, well, forget it. It's not going to happen. This is way too chunky. But if you have a piece of junk like this monitor, I suggest the best thing you can do with it is chuck it out. Now guys, for some specs. For the brightness levels and color temperature, this bad boy only consumes 5 watts. And you know what? With energy prices soaring out of control in the UK, this is most welcome. Color temperature, well, you can change this between 3000 to 6500 Kelvin, so nice. The light is always consistent with no glare, and you know what? Apparently it's good for your eyes. So all in all, I could not tell the difference between this Quntis LED monitor light and the BenQ screen bar. I mean, they look pretty damn similar. I will put a card up here just so that you can see that video if you choose to want to do so. And like I said, the Quntis is half the price. So you know what? I know which one I would be buying given my time again. So guys, that just about wraps this one up. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comments section. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to Quntis for sending me this rather snazzy screen bar to review. And if you're interested in buying one of these, I'll leave any links and discount codes in the description. And guys, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. It does make a huge difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon to be notified of new videos. Guys, I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens. Thanks for watching, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.